haka arhu pratrik nailur ka menteri khana jong katrat ka koi ka khya ka sarkar India ka Anupriya Patel kala lejurep eka Jagas Kumar ICTC yakibapang HIV AIDS a civil hospital Shillong but kumjoiru yak regional blood bank ne ka jaka ken shows nam ha Pasteur Institute Lomali haka jingle jurep yak menteri khana lasanran langda ka director jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Max ringkat kiwe de ki doctor hakate ka jingle jurep ka menteri kala runglut ha baro ki kamra jong ka integrated counseling and testing center but yakarandu but kinong tray ki badan hangni khamtami counselor ki badan ka jingye dei ka bajan but ki brio ki bawan sumar habangat ka jingpang HIV AIDS habai kran ba kinong tho kubor ka menteri klapen pau ka jingso komen ba ka ICTC kala trekam ba hakaba ai jingrap ikibrio ki bangat eki khnyang jingpang HIV ni pang AIDS kala ongru nakaliang ka National AIDS Control Organization NACO ka bahap apo ka jingpai ka sarkar preng.
We have to be more supportive and caring towards people who live with this life-threatening disease. So NACO is a very ambitious program and it's been implemented in Meghalaya since '94. So I have only tried to review and understand the progress of the implementation of the program. I am quite satisfied, and there are certain issues, certain concerns which we have noted, and we are trying to help our the AIDS unit. NACO is a centrally sponsored program. In India, we have states in South India like Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Maharashtra, and few of the states in the northeast which show a high prevalence of HIV. Although India, if you see the global picture, we are low on the prevalence of AIDS, but these few states are still problematic areas for us. And we are trying to, we have this program now in its 4th phase. We are doing very well, and I think we are able to take care of people living with HIV/AIDS in a better manner. We are also able to control the newer infections, and we are also able to motivate more and more people to come for counseling and testing and get on to the ART.
Hapasya pat Kementeri Kelaisyam Bentaru program bala pelong na Max hakaba kalayo panipaliw jing bot baki brio ki bangat haka jing pang AIDS nang tapat bat ki brand ambassador ka Max ki bolong ki kanon nang tam job ya ka Meghalaya icons bat bala pen kop buram ru ya ki nong tray ki bala tresh tam hakaba yara pen priang halor ka jing ma jong ka ne jing pang bashir khai.
I really wish to salute some of our friends who came here up on the stage, who are the people living with HIV. I salute the bravery with which they are facing this problem, they are facing this society and living up their lives. Such people are really examples for us, and I think they in themselves are the biggest motivators for us, because none of us is like with a shield. We are all equally vulnerable. Any one of us can be a victim of this condition. So we must always salute such kind of people amongst us who are able to live their life with the same passion, with the same feeling, and they are really, truly good examples for us.